Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about 3D metal wall clock decor ideas. If you want to make your wall look amazing while also having a functional clock, you are in the right place. Let's explore some simple and inspiring ideas to give your space a fresh look with 3D metal wall clocks. Before we start with the ideas, let's talk about why 3D metal wall clocks are so great. These clocks not only tells time but also add depth and style to your wall. They are like functional pieces of art. Rustic metal wall clock with exposed gear and worn out look. They can become a standout pieces in your space, especially if you like an industrial vibe. For a clean and elegant looks, go for sleek metal wall clock. These have simple lines, smooth surface and usually just one color. They fit perfectly into modern and simple spaces. Bring a bit of nature to your home with nature inspired metal wall clock. These clock might have design that look like leaves, branches or waves. They add a charming touch to your decor. If you like shape and patterns, check out Metal's wall clocks with cool geometric design. They have interesting shapes and angles that can add a sense of order to your decor. Get creative by using mixed materials, combine metal with wood, glass, or even clear acrylic to add texture and depth to your clock decor. Make a big statement with oversized metal wall clocks. These clocks are huge and become the centerpieces of your decor. Consider getting a clock that is customized just for you. Some companies lets you design your own clock with symbols, words or images that are special to you. And there you have it, simple ideas to jazz up your wall decor with 3D metal wall clocks. Whether you like a industrial look, something elegant or a touch of nature, these clocks can add style to your space. If you found these 3D metal wall clock decor ideas cool, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home improvement and design tips.